Service providers in the connectedness industry want to raise the bar on customer experience. But they continue to struggle with several factors that stretch the order to activate journey, delay service installations, and eventually hit NPS scores. Siloed systems, poor visibility and control over processes, and dependence on external vendors are making service delivery timelines totally unpredictable. Most service providers meet just half their order completion targets, leading to customer dissatisfaction. To reverse this trend, Prodapt offers a first-of-its-kind solution: AI-driven predictive service delivery. The solution uses a machine learning model to dynamically predict where on the journey the next disruption is likely to occur, and how that would impact delivery timelines. With predictive analytics, operations teams can focus on the individual orders likely to fall out on their journeys. With better delivery performance, service providers can double their order completion rates and put higher NPS scores on the board. Know more about Prodapt's predictive service delivery solution. Book a demo.